Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best kids' chair with umbrella is probably one of the most versatile and fun pieces of outdoor furniture you can get for your little ones, offering them a shaded personal space to relax, play, or enjoy a snack anywhere the sun shines, making it an ideal companion for backyard adventures, beach trips, or even just a sunny afternoon on the patio, ensuring they stay comfortable and protected from the elements while enjoying their own special spot. Number 5. Little Tikes Easy Store Picnic Table with Umbrella. Introducing the Little Tikes Easy Store Picnic Table with Umbrella, a versatile and fun addition for your kids. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for any occasion. This table comfortably seats up to 6 children, providing ample space for them to gather and play. It's the ideal spot for snacks, crafts, or just enjoying time together. It comes with 2 built-in cup holders to keep drinks within easy reach. Plus, a multi-purpose tray is perfect for holding snacks, crayons, or other small items. Setting up and taking down is a breeze, requiring no tools at all. When not in use, it conveniently folds for easy portability or storage. Built with durability in mind, each bench supports up to 200 pounds, ensuring it's safe for active play. The included umbrella provides shade on sunny days. This table is designed for year-round fun, whether you're indoors or enjoying the outdoors. Its portable design means you can take the fun anywhere. What we like? This table is perfect for larger families or playdates, seating up to 6 children. It conveniently folds for easy storage and portability. If you have a big family or frequently host playdates, you should consider this option. What people say? The umbrella is very sturdy and provides excellent shade. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for outdoor activities. My child loves sitting in this chair, especially with the umbrella up. Number 4. Best Choice Products Wooden Kids Picnic Table with Umbrella. Get ready for endless outdoor fun. This table is the perfect spot for lunch, learning, and playtime on sunny days. This scaled-down classic is made from durable hemlock wood. It features a sturdy weight capacity and rounded edges for safety. Treated with a weather coat, it resists fading and maintains its pleasing appearance, rain or shine. The umbrella easily adjusts up and down, providing shade as your child grows. It's perfect for keeping them comfortable outdoors. Designed with treated, BPA-free natural wood, it's safe for your children. Let them enjoy the outdoors in a whole new way. What we like? Crafted from durable hemlock wood with a weather-resistant coating, this table is built to last outdoors. The adjustable umbrella offers customizable shade. If you're looking for a sturdy, natural wood option that can withstand the elements, this is a great choice. What people say? The umbrella is so cute and gave our kids some shade which having their snacks or lunch outside this summer. This little table is adorable and perfect for toddlers. The quality is great and it's very sturdy. It's a nice size so our 3-1-2 years old granddaughter can get a few years of use from it. Box says 3 to 7. Number 3. Kids Beach Folding Camping Chair with Umbrella, Pink. Designed with your child's ultimate comfort in mind, this chair ensures perfect relaxation. Let them enjoy cozy leisure time wherever you go. Crafted from sturdy steel, it provides a safe play space for your child. Its lightweight design folds in seconds, making it an effortless travel companion. Perfect for the beach, lawn, or garden, this chair is designed for easy use. The built-in cup holder keeps drinks within easy reach for continuous hydration. The integrated sunshade shields your child's delicate skin from harmful UV rays. It cleverly converts into a portable umbrella for versatile sun protection. Featuring a stable triangular structure and anti-slip feet, it adapts to various terrains. The durable Oxford fabric is safe, wear-resistant, and simple to clean. What we like? This chair is incredibly lightweight and folds in seconds, making it ideal for on-the-go fun. Its unique 2-in-1 umbrella design provides sun protection and saves space. If you prioritize portability and convenience for beach trips or camping, this chair is perfect for you. What people say? It's sturdy, lightweight, and the size is just right for her. She loves sitting in it at the beach and in the backyard. It folds up quick, worth every penny as you can detach the umbrella and use it by itself. Very well built and super comfortable, so much that my 1-year-old will also sit on it. The seat is okay. It's way more sturdier than I thought it would be. Number 2. Step 2. Naturally Playful Kids Picnic Table with Umbrella. Keep your little ones protected from harmful rays with the included umbrella. It blocks over 97% of UVA and UVB rays, providing essential shade on sunny days. This versatile table is perfect for both indoor and outdoor play. Its natural colors and realistic sandstone design will blend beautifully with your home or yard. With a large tabletop and wide benches, it comfortably seats up to 4 children. It's ideal for meals, crafts, or just hanging out. Maintaining a clean play space is simple with disinfectant wipes or household cleaners. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools and folding flat for easy storage. Constructed with durable, double-walled plastic, this table is designed for years of fun. The colors are fade-resistant, ensuring it looks great season after season. Designed for children aged 3 and up, it offers a safe and engaging space for them to play and explore. What we like? With a large umbrella that blocks 97.5% of harmful UV rays, sun protection is a top priority. Its durable, double-walled plastic construction ensures longevity, and the realistic sandstone design blends well with outdoor decor. If sun safety and a long-lasting, natural-looking table are important, this is the one to get. What people say. The table is adorable and very sturdy. It is easy for one person to move around as it is not heavy, but it is heavy enough to stay put in high winds. The umbrella has a locking unit under the table if you want to use it so it won't pull out. Very sturdy, even my big kids sit here with my twins. Easy to clean, doesn't take up too much space outside. Nice and roomy so no one's fighting. This is the best little table. It is very sturdy. It is easy for a 16-month-old to climb up and sit and also loved by 3-year-olds. Number 1. KidKraft Outdoor Wooden Table and Bench Set. This kid-sized table and bench set is crafted from premium, durable wood. It's treated to repel water, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Designed with an adult aesthetic but sized perfectly for children aged 3 and up. It comfortably seats up to 4 kids, 2 on each bench. The included cushions offer a cozy spot for little ones. They conveniently stay in place with ties underneath the benches. An umbrella provides shade and can be easily folded down for storage or protection during windy weather. This versatile set is ideal for eating, playing, or working outdoors. It offers plenty of space for siblings and friends to share. What we like? This set offers a touch of grown-up style with comfortable, cushioned seats for added coziness. It's crafted from premium, durable wood treated for outdoor use. If you appreciate a more sophisticated look and want to provide a comfortable seating experience for your children, this set is an excellent selection. What people say. It is so sturdy, well made, the cushions and umbrella are just darling. The umbrella is adorable and works just like the adult ones with the pin in the hole. The fabric is thick and good quality. There is plenty of space for 4 children to sit down and have meals or do art and crafts. The wood is stained. The bench seats have Velcro straps to keep the seats in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.